How to open PDF file in laptop Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, you can directly click onto your PDF and view it. For instance, if this is your PDF, double click onto it. It will give you various options. You can either choose Microsoft Edge or Chrome. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and select Google Chrome, then click on just once or always. If you click onto always, your PDF will be always viewed in Google Chrome. You might as well go ahead and click onto always. And just as you do so, you can see that this PDF has been opened in my Chrome application. In case you would like to use a default PDF viewer, search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. You will see download Adobe Acrobat. This is a free PDF viewer. So click open it. Click on the download here and wait till this installation gets completed. Once this is completed, you can easily click onto your PDF and you will be able to view it in the Acrobat format. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.